What if I told you that just a few hours a week could add an extra $1,000 to your monthly income? Sounds impossible, right? But it's not. 2025 is the perfect time to build new income streams. And today, I'll show you the side hustles that can make it happen. Let's dive into the future of earning money. Section 1. Why side hustles matter in 2025. The world is changing fast. Inflation is still biting into our wallets, and job stability is no longer guaranteed. But guess what? Opportunities are bigger than ever. With AI, tech platforms, and remote works, there are countless ways to make money without quitting your 9-to-5. It's time to stop relying on one paycheck and start creating financial freedom. A $1,000 side hustle might just be your ticket to a better future. Section 2. Top side hustles that work in 2025. 1. Freelancing with AI tools. Earn $30 to $50 per hour. AI has made freelancing easier and more profitable. Whether it's copywriting, video editing, or graphic design, you can now use tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to speed up your work and take on more clients. Websites like Fiverr and Upwork are perfect for finding gigs. Pro tip: specialize in high-demand services like AI content optimization or chatbot building. 2. Content creation. Earn $1,000 plus per month. You don't need millions of subscribers to make money online anymore. Platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Instagram are monetizing short content like crazy. How to start? Pick a niche you love: finance, cooking, tech, or motivation. Use AI-generated voices and editing tools to make videos fast. Stay consistent. Post daily to see rapid growth. 3. E-commerce micro-stores. Earn $1,000 per month. Forget managing huge warehouses. With platforms like Shopify and dropshipping networks, you can run a business from your laptop. Focus on unique products in trending niches like eco-friendly goods, personalized items, or AI-powered gadgets. 4. Investing in dividend stocks, passive income. Why not let your money work for you? By investing in stable, dividend-paying stocks, you can earn monthly or quarterly payouts. Imagine earning $200 here and $500 there just from dividends. Example: ETFs like SCHD are popular for high dividend returns. 5. Online courses and coaching. Earn $50 to $100 per client. Are you good at something? Fitness, coding, finance, or even baking? Create an online course or offer coaching sessions. People are willing to pay for expertise, especially if it saves them time. Platforms to use: Teachable, Gumroad, Zoom for live coaching. 6. Remote customer support. Earn $20 per hour. Companies are hiring remote workers to handle their customer queries. If you have good communication skills, this is a perfect gig. Pro tip: look for roles on job boards like remote.co and Indeed. 7. Affiliate marketing. Earn $1,000 per month. Recommend products and earn commissions. Whether it's through your blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page, affiliate marketing can bring in passive income. Best affiliate networks. Amazon Associates, ShareASale, ClickBank. Section 3. Mindset shift. Here's the truth. Building a successful side hustle requires discipline and grit. There will be setbacks, days when you feel like giving up. But remember this: every successful entrepreneur started small. They faced failures and pushed through them. You don't need to see the whole staircase. Just take the first step. Martin Luther King Jr. You already have what it takes to succeed. The only thing stopping you is the story you're telling yourself about why you can't. Change that story and you change your life. Call to action. So which side hustle are you starting today? Drop it in the comments and let's hold each other accountable. Remember, your financial freedom is just one decision away. Don't wait for the perfect time. Start now. Success loves action takers. Subscribe for more financial tips and hit that bell icon. I'm here to help you build the life you deserve.